say after we're done burying this guy that you and I go splitsies on his strawberry milkshake, huh? Huh? Hey, what's going on, pal? Whoa, don't talk like that. You're not fat. I mean, you're skinnier than that guy was even after we cut his intestines out, right? Barbara broke up with you? Oh, buddy. Hold on, this guy's not dead yet. Oh, man. I'm so sorry to hear that. I mean, you guys were so cute together. I'll tell you what. I'll make you a deal. You help me find the rest of this dead guy's face and the milkshake? Oh, buddy. The milkshake is on me, buddy, okay? The milkshake's on me. Come here.